Greetings. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a softbox over this Simpex Pro HD LED 5. This is an Indian light from Simpex. It has got 5 bulbs and it cost me around 5,000 rupees. I purchased this about 4-5 months back. I have been using this Simpex softbox light and it provides good light. The box does not come with a set of instructions to how to assemble the softbox. Since I purchased this softbox and light from a shop in Chennai, India, but initially I had some difficulty in assembling the softbox. Therefore I got in touch with the company. They were very kind and shared me a video. After seeing that video, I have learned a lot and I have been able to assemble the softbox very quickly. So I hope that this video will enlighten those people who intend to buy this Simpex Pro HD LED 5 and you will continue to enjoy this softbox light and for your future videos. So the first thing is that I have already assembled the bulb holder onto a light stand here, and you can see that it is at eye level. Now I am going to show you the softbox and the spokes with which it comes. It comes with these spokes in a neat packet, and this is the softbox. So let's take out the softbox from the cover. So it is a square softbox and there is no velcro at the back, so the dimensions are pretty restricted. There is no play at all at the back. So unless you proceed to assemble the softbox in a specific manner, you will be faced with failure and frustration. I have seen many videos on YouTube saying that the people took 20 minutes more to assemble a softbox, and there is a video also where they assemble the softbox on a table and all that. That's not the right way. So the right way is that this is the softbox. Once you know the characteristics and limitations of it, then you will understand further how to do it properly. Then there are these spokes. So there are 4 spokes like this which have got which have nothing at the ends. 4 of these, and 4 more spokes which have got plastic ends. There is a one with here over here, the black color one is a spoke. It has got a hole in the center here, and at the other end it has got a sort of a triangular and slanted insertion slot. So the trick is, now we'll take these 4, we'll take these one by one. So we take one set now and slide the softbox over the bulb holder. So you can see that it's a snug fit. There is not much room. If it doesn't slide over these prominent plastic portions, then you have to just give it some room and slide it over on this side. So having slid it over the bulb holder, now we take one set, that is one blunt end and this other one with the plastic spoke, and the most obvious thing is to first insert the blunt end into one end over here and insert the other end into the slot over here. Now I have inserted one spoke here. The next spoke is to be inserted diagonally opposite this into this slot over here. So this is the diagonally opposite one. This is the 11 o'clock spoke and this would be the 5 o'clock spoke. So we take one more set, assemble it by sliding the normal one without any plastic into the socket here at the end of this plastic, and locate the hole, which is quite obvious over here. Insert the blunt end into this plastic socket over here, and see that this triangular portion is here, and slide the triangular portion into the softbox slot. There is a slot over here, cloth slot over here. You can see that. Now we have assembled two. So now that makes the job easier. Now we've got the third spoke. Assemble it to here together. And now we go to this was at 11 o'clock. This would be the 1 o'clock position. Insert it into the 1 o'clock position, and pull on the pocket, and the third one has been inserted. Now we are going to insert the last one. This should not be very difficult. So like before, we assemble the two halves of the spoke. Keep this outside and this inside. I'm coming to this side now. Just move it to center the camera. Take this blunt end, insert it into the socket over here. Now it is inside the socket, and bend this. And now the softbox has been assembled here. After this has been assembled, you screw on the 5 bulbs over here, and then finally this is the diffuser. You slide this diffuser has got this diffuser attaches to the softbox by Velcro strips, you can see here. So slide it over the softbox. This is a square softbox. Fasten the Velcro in all 4 sides, and there you have it. You have assembled the softbox for the Simpex photo and video studio light LED 5. Now this is complete, but if you want to get a focused light on you, then it is advisable to get a egg crate. I have ordered mine and it is on the way, and I will be assembling an egg crate over this to give you a more focused light. So I hope that this small tip will go a long way to help you to get your video going in a faster manner, to set up your softbox as fast as possible, and concentrate on producing your video content and sharing it online. So let me know what kind of softboxes you are using. I am using this one softbox now as my fill light, and actually I am using another 4 bulb holder softbox here from Cameron, and that is my key light now. My fill light right now, in the absence of these, are 2 Yongnuo lights which are illuminating me from the sides, and then of course I have the room lights. So let me know what lighting you prefer. These are very affordable soft boxes. This cost me 5,000. This cost me around, with this light stand, it cost me around 3,500. They're very affordable soft boxes for people who want to produce videos in India. I have checked the illumination of the softbox on me with my Filmic Pro app, and the ISO is 161. The shutter speed is 1/60, and the frame rate is 24 frames per second, and so the shutter speed is 1/50, and it's exactly double that of the frame rate. I'm filming in 4K. I'm filming this entire video with the rear camera of my Samsung Note 20 Ultra. It is mounted on a tripod here. I'm controlling the Samsung Note 20 camera. You can see that it is recording with the Samsung Flow app from my tablet. So I'm controlling my Note 20 camera from my tab with the Samsung Flow app. So I hope this video was useful. If you found this useful, kindly give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center, MJRC, and smash the bell icon after subscribing, as that helps these videos to reach a larger audience in India and abroad. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.